Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an upper control arm. First, gather all your necessary tools like a floor jack, jack stands, and a good set of wrenches. Make sure you have your new control arm ready to go, including new ball joints if they are separate. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your vehicle is securely supported before starting any work. Now, let's get to removing the old control arm. Begin by safely lifting your GMC Sierra and removing the front wheel. Next, you'll need to disconnect the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle, often requiring a pickle fork or a few hammer taps. Be sure to also detach any brake lines or ABS wires secured to the arm. Finally, unbolt the control arm from its frame mounting points, noting the alignment cam positions if present. With the old arm out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new upper control arm and loosely install the frame bolts. Then, reconnect the upper ball joint to the spindle, securing it with its nut. For the upper ball joint nut, torque it to 37 foot-pounds, then an additional 90 degrees. The control arm to frame bolts should be torqued to 140 foot-pounds. Ensure all connections are snug before proceeding. After installing the new control arm, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle. Double-check all bolts and nuts to ensure they are properly tightened. A professional wheel alignment is highly recommended after this repair to ensure correct steering and tire wear. This will help maintain optimal handling and extend the life of your tires. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.